Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another guitar tutorial by Wesley Taylor, and my hair is not combed. And today we're going to look at the, I guess the strumming part of Guitar Boogie Shuffle, the basic 12-bar blues in key of E. And I just want to show you how simple it is to get the machine or the engine room of the piece going. So we've got a 12-bar blues, key of E. We're doing the very simple version, 4 bars of E, 2 bars of A, 2 bars of E, 2 bars of B7 and 2 bars of E, and then start again. And we want a simple shuffle like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Slower. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and So we'll just focus on this hand for a moment, and what I want you to mainly catch in this little video is the idea that we're being a drum kit right here. Kick drum, hi-hat, snare drum, hi-hat, kick drum, hi-hat, snare drum, hi-hat. We're also being the bass guitar, if you want to be clever. So on. So we're kind of landing heavy on the bass strings on the first and third beats of the bar, and heavy on the treble strings on the second and fourth beats of the bar. And in between, we have upstrokes at the tail end of each shuffle grouping. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And those upstrokes can just be lazily catching the strings on the way past. It's a very natural movement. Rather than overthink it and try to be deliberate about that, just know that it's just a matter of catching the strings on the way back. To get the treble strings instead of the bass strings, you just have to angle your approach differently, kind of like landing a plane. On beats 1 and 3, we're landing it flat. On beats 2 and 4, we're kind of coming in from a different approach. Instead of bass, treble, it's as simple as that. And there is a lot of thumb wrist action in there as well. Fast, it sounds it. Cool? Have a go.